What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be taking you through on how to create your own Discord invitation link. Let's say you're trying to invite your friends using your own link. I'll be taking you through on how to do that right now. The first thing you have to do is you have to go over to Discord. I'm going to be using PC, so you have to go over to Discord. Then you just have to go to log in your account into Discord. Once you've logged into your Discord account, you have to go ahead to click on the channel you want to invite your friend. Then you can just right click. So once you right click, you see this invite people, but if you are making use of mobile phone, you are not going to be seeing this option to invite your friend. But another way to do it on your mobile phone is you can use Kiwi browser or Google Chrome, that is using desktop mode. Like I said, you just have to come over to the channel you want to invite your friend. Let's say I want to invite my friend into this channel. Then I'll just right click. After I've right click, I'll see this invite friend. I'll just click on it. Then I'll be seeing this my invitation link. Send the server invite link to a friend. This is my own unique invitation link here, so I just have to copy it. I can also edit the invite link by just clicking on the edit invite link and also set the expiring date. So it has been set to expire after 7 days. I can click on never, then max number of users, no limit. Then I just click on this generate a new link. You see a new link has been generated. I can just go to copy the link, then start inviting my friends. The channel is going to be having command for you to check your invite. That is the number of counts, that's the number of people invited. Just input this backslash, then you see this invite, just select invite, then just click on the enter button. So you see currently I've already invited 2 people using the link I created. So it's simple as that. Okay, so guys, that will be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Bye guys.